Hello, in this video we will discuss the measurement functions that are launched from the ruler icon. The most common one is the distance button. So here is the measurement ruler icon. Click it once and it opens up tools to use. Like we mentioned, the distance tab is the one used mostly. You click it and then you can come down into your field, left click your mouse, drag and release. You can click on the numbers to drag it away. You have a second measurement if you want to measure a second time or a third time. The measurement length unit is in millimeters. It's noted at the top. The rest of the numbers are just simply the density along the line of scan, or measured, that is. To delete, right click on the number, delete, or you can click the little red X tab and delete, or hit the measurement icon, rule bar, and all the measurements will go away. The next tab is called line segment. Click it and allows you to drag and click and make a series of points along a curve. When you're done, double click it. When it's double click, you can see the number of total length, and then you can see the segments, and it's this from this little tab that you get this measurements from. This next one is called relative length. You could take one measurement and take a second one, and this one is a ratio to this one. So whatever your initial first measurement, it'll always be baseline 1, and it has no unit with it. So this probably doesn't have too much use with the cone beam, because you see on the right your measurement bar, each little tick is 5 millimeters apart, and this will change if you zoom it or unzoom it. So it's pretty accurate 1-to-1. Therefore, the baseline measurement is really not necessary. Next, we have the angle measurement, and this is based on like a V point or just an intersecting point. Click again, and release, and it'll give you an angle. Next three are geometric shapes, and here we click rectangle, and we draw, and then we release it, and you can see an area measurement along with mean, max, and min. For the ellipse, click it, and then do the same thing. Draw out a elliptical shape, and then there is your measurement. To alter these shapes, click on the measurement, and the white boxes, you can drag the white boxes, and when you release it, there is your new measurement. If you need to do that again, click another white box, drag it, release, and that's your new measurement. Remember, right click and delete. The next shape is a polygon. So this is like a free-handed shape. You drag it over to the location again, and then left click it, and then you can sort of trace it out a little bit more with around the curvatures and tight points, and then there's your measurement. Now with the polygon, you can't click and change the shape like you could with the ellipse. This next tab is called profile. We drew a line, and along the y-axis we have the density, and along the x-axis we have the distance. We could grab one of the red lines, and you can see at the maximum point the highest density is reading, and then it trails off as we go to other sections. I can simply grab it and move it to another section, and we'll have a little slightly different result for this particular point. This measurement measures this particular peak along the axis at this point in time. This 3D cube icon is not active in the measurement toolbar, but just realize that it's there. This blue arrow allows us to perform another function while in the measurement. Click the blue arrow once or twice, and we can perform another measurement like moving the crossbar. To exit, click the ruler icon. Thank you